Hello. Thank you for watching Montessori lesson channel. In this video I will be introducing the plants activity from the culture and science section. The materials required for this activity are child-size watering can, spray bottle with water, plant care schedule, potted plant on a saucer and vinyl mat. Please subscribe to my channel, press the like button and bell icon to be notified when a new video comes up. The purpose of this activity is to teach the child about how to take care of plants and to introduce it to the child. The instructions for the activity are: put the potted plant in the middle of the table in front of the child. Explain to the child that they are going to learn how to take care of a plant. Say the name of the plant and explain that it is very delicate, so it needs to be handled carefully. Have the child examine the plant with their senses. Motivate them to describe what they see, feel, and smell. Show the watering can to the child and explain that plants are living thing, and it needs water to grow. Have the child come with you to the sink to fill the watering can up to the indicated mark. Then take the watering can back to the table carefully. Explain to the child that the plant pot has a hole in the bottom for the excess water to run out. Tell the child that this is the reason why a saucer is placed under plant for excess water to run out. Tell the child that giving too much water or too little water is not good for the plant. Ask the child to water the plant slowly and a small amount on the soil inside the pot. Have the child wait for a few seconds until the water goes on the saucer. Let the child know that the plant has enough water now. Next, show the child how to use the spray bottle to spray the plant gently with water. Explain that the plant will be watered by a different child each day and there will be a schedule. Take the plant to the place where it will be kept in the room, where there will be sunlight, and explain why it is important for the plant. Have the child return the materials back to the shelf. This ends this video for today. Thank you for watching.